Hello, hello. Here we are once again in the evening time now, which is a bit good and not so good because I guess I took a rest for a while, and after that I was expecting to go to this place called Sweaty Stefan. It's around 10 kilometers or something from here. So I wanted to go by cycle or by walk, but that didn't go very well because it's a bit too late. Now the time I guess is 5:40, and my person at the hostel said I should take at least 4 or 5 hours for that because you want to go slowly and you want to see the things on the way. And so I think tomorrow could be a better day to do that, because tomorrow I would assume I'm gonna get only half a day, given the fact it's gonna be raining in the morning, so then it will get better in the afternoon. I'm just checking which way I shall be going. I wonder, everything looks the same, to be honest. It doesn't matter which direction I go. Because we were here in the afternoon. But I want to go, I think I need to go this way, along here. Yep, we were over there in the afternoon. People are coming to this side, I'm going to that side. It feels I'm already doing something wrong. You know? Today I couldn't cover much, and it felt like if the number of days I am left with, I can't cover everything what I want to cover from Budva. So now I'm gonna go and check if I can rent a car. If yes, then tomorrow I can mark 2 to 3 things, because they are out of Budva, and there is no connection to go to those places either. So it's just a bad planning, I would say. Nothing more than that. So let's do that. So I'm gonna go to this car rental place, which is now 10 minutes walk from here. As you can see, a lot of buildings are popping up everywhere in Budva, and I think it's gonna be a very busy town in coming years. And then on the way, not very far now, maybe another 2 minutes, But yeah, the important thing is I should buy some things to eat from supermarket, because they charge for cold drinks like £2. I paid £4, €4, sorry. Yeah, it's not make sense. So I think these things like cold drink or chips or cookies or things like that, I should carry with me in my bag. Then yeah, only eat proper food from the restaurants or cafe. Yes, and then having something for the morning breakfast also makes sense, I guess. There is one rent-a-car company here. There is that one. Which one I'm seeing on my map? Okay, the one I see on my map is further ahead a little bit. Yeah, I can check on these two also. This one looks close, but I can check on that one on the way back. This is the one I see on the map. But there is no option to cross the road. There is somebody sitting inside. But how do I cross? Take a long U-turn. Alright, so I guess we are almost there. I'll walk in and check. What do they say? The company name I'm gonna check with is Ere Car Rent-A-Car Budva. They have got good reviews on Google, so that's why I am preferring these guys first. It is here. This is their office. Let's see. Okie doke. So I don't know what happened. So there is no decision yet, because she was trying to call somebody, I think, who speaks English, but that did not work out because the person did not pick the call, or busy, or I don't know. So she has taken my phone number now, and she said the person will call me. I don't know. There is this company as well. Shall I check with them? Well, this was easy because I asked him and he said they don't have a car for tomorrow. So I think the option is to wait for the one we have already checked to call. But these guys also had a good rating on Google, but I think they don't have a car. That's alright. Let's go to the supermarket then. We are at the Franca to buy some stuff. Alright, so that was not a bad decision. So we got, I added 2 more sneakers to it, so it all costed €15. 15 euros, sorry for that. And yeah, now let's find a place to eat. Actually, there was a place just next to that only. I think it's a local. I'm running out of cash as well, and these places need cash, so I need to check how much cash I have. I still have 20 euros or something, so I think I can manage. Let's see if they have something vegetarian. Alright, that was not a bad decision. That guy, they have got a guy who speaks good English. I just asked him if they have vegetarian options, so he has vegetarian options in everything, like pizza, he said, risotto and pasta, so I have chosen the pizza, and a juice. This place is called Bucanero. It is just next to the supermarket Franca. I did not check the price, to be honest. Let me check the price for you guys. So the juice is for 3 euros, and and pizza is for here it is, vegetarian. I don't know if it's gonna bring the small one or big one, but it is 7 to 8 euros. So in total 10-11 euros. So not bad, I guess. It's a nice place, quite open, quite spacious, and I've got 4 seats for myself. Here is our juice. Let's try it. It's nice. Here is our pizza, guys. I don't know whether he has got a small one or a big one, but looks good, cheesy. So let's enjoy. Alright, that was a good dinner, guys. So now we are heading back. I haven't received the call from the car rental company yet, but yeah, I don't have any other option. Let's see. Otherwise I will give them a call myself tomorrow morning. Otherwise I will go for plan B. I will prepare a plan B. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, for now, I hope you enjoyed a little not so planned vlog in the beginning, but after that I spent some time to think what can I do, and now you have some content to watch, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.